Hey Dekoni fans! Today, we're going to show you how to install your earpads for the AudioQuest Nighthawk. As a note to our viewers, the AudioQuest Nighthawk is discontinued and most models out in the wild are worn down like the one you see here. Alright, let's get to it. The first step is to remove the earpads from the headphone. To do this, you have to pull against the pegs that are holding the clip and earpad in place. Slightly tug on the earpad and they will come clean off the headphone with the plastic clip included. When you remove your old faux leather earpads, they may leave behind a pile of dust, but there's no need to worry about that problem with Dekoni's authentic sheepskin pads. To install your new Dekoni audio earpads, you need to remove the clipping mechanism from your old earpads. To do this, pull the earpad lip away from the plastic pegs on the clip mechanism. After both plastic clips are removed, it's time to put them in your new Dekoni audio earpads. It's important to note that there's slight variations on the earpads which make them left and right independent. To make sure you're installing the left and right earpads correctly, take some time to match the clips and earpads to the headphone ear cup. Once you have matched the correct earpad and clips, take the clips and insert them into the rear of the earpad. Stretch the lip over the pegs to finish a secure attachment. Another feature to look for on the Dekoni earpads is the stitching seam. This seam will match up with the bottom center of the headphone ear cup. Grab the completed earpad and line them up with the applicable ear cup. Go around the entirety of the earpad to make sure all pegs are seated correctly on the headphone. This will ensure proper seal and no sound signature issues. Repeat this process once more for the other side. Now enjoy your new Dekoni audio earpads for the AudioQuest Nighthawk.